years I thought it over, and after struggling for so long, still holding on, I figure can't be nothing all that wrong with crying. If anybody says that that's wrong, then I ain't.
Look, I ain't that good at talking, so I decided I would write it to you. Everything you wanna know. Why I scream and fight with you? Guess I'm feeling insecure, like you gon' up and leave a nigga. So now I must apologize and pray that you believe it, nigga. I said I stopped hitting on you, I ain't quit. So as a man, I admit it, baby, I ain't shit. This is hard for me to say, but I feel you need to hear from me. Just in case you leave, this is the plea that you're hearing from me. Through the bullshit, the late nights, thick and thin wind. No one else believed you was a nigga's only friend. So I hope that you'll forgive me, and that place is still secure, and that place inside your heart that you had for me before. And I wanted you to understand, but couldn't find the words to. The more I think about it, shit, I probably don't deserve you. I'm changing for the best, and I hope I get to show you. If I don't, I just thank the Lord I even got to know you. Yeah.
Can't be nothing all that wrong with crying. If anybody says that that's wrong, then I ain't. Can't be nothing all that wrong with crying. If anybody says that that's wrong, then I ain't.
I have held a gun to my head and wonder why I bother. Through the stress and came a blessing. Look, damn it, I'm a father. My whole life changed in a span of 8 years. For all the pride I swallowed and the nights I ate my tears. To my youngest son, Spank, look, I love you more than life itself. I promise I'll take care of you and try to make it right myself. To my oldest care, man, you look just like your daddy. I know the reason why my daddy cried when he had me. It's funny how a child can make a man out of a little boy, and nothing else compares to the pleasures of my pride and joy. I promise I'll protect you till the evening of my wake. Try to teach you right from wrong. I hope y'all learn from my mistakes. I know y'all missing daddy when I'm out there on the road. I know that I should call y'all more and try to make it home. There's more important things than getting money, rocking crowds. I hope that when it's said and done, y'all say I made you proud.
Can't be nothing all that wrong with crying. If anybody says that that's wrong, then I ain't. Can't be nothing all that wrong with crying.